Nobody is willing to take away honey. Yes.
जैसे कि आगरा का ताजमहल आपके गांव
You have seen in Agra, one Taj Mahal is there. So I will bring for you place. Brother, what?
Tell me honey.
और आपके घरों को गांवों को मेट्रो ट्रेन
And also I will join with bullet train in your house. And you will fly like sky.
I can't believe it.
और आपके घर के सामने बहुत बड़ा एयरपोर्ट बना होगा
And I will make for you one airport.
और जो दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा मालूम
Finish, let it finish.
अस्पताल का नाम जाता है उसको भी
And you have seen mental hospital. And I will make for you your place.
You are pagal. I know everything about you.
Look, brother, don't show your feet.
What is your problem? I am speaking to my wife. You are
और आपकी गांव में जो छोटा सा तालाब है ना उसको मैं समुद्र बनाया
And what is called?
Pond.
Yeah, okay. I will tell you later. Okay, bye.
Hopeless.
Let's go on together.
Okay, thank you so much, Yusuf. So, actually, he performed like 500 dances. Whenever he went on stage,
He or she?
he came back without breaking the stage.
Don't say like that, okay? I don't like that.
That's true, no?
Don't say.
Okay. So, now, Augustine team is going to dance. Let's see.